Hi guys. Welcome to FA Trades. In this video, I am gonna talk about basics of footprint charts. This is a basic bid-ask cluster. On left side of candle, you see bids which are market or aggressive sell orders. On right side of candle, you see as asks which are market or aggressive buy orders. On top is total volume of that candle. It's calculated by adding all bids and asks of that candle to each other. Then we have total delta of that candle. It's calculated by subtracting bids from asks, or market buys minus market sells in that candle. POC is price level where maximum volume is traded in that candle shown by pink outline. Then we have value area represented by slight dark shading. It's price area where 68 to 70% of total volume is traded in that candle. Then we have imbalances. Buy imbalances shown in blue, while sell imbalances in red. It's price level where one side bids or asks are 4x higher than opposite orders compared in diagonal. That's the basics. Let's discuss how to see if order flow is bullish or bearish. How to see the strength and momentum of upside and downside move. Again, key here is volume. Volume confirms price move. It shows the power and strength of candle. To see the strength of price move, we use volume and delta. In the downside move, you want to see volume increasing with negative delta. Higher volume shows stronger move while negative delta shows sellers are in control. For upside move, you want to see increasing volume with positive delta, showing aggressive buyers are dominant. Same with POC and value area. In upside move, you want to see POC and value shifting higher. As you can see at bottom, we have a bullish value area gap, which later get tested and filled. Also, if you get negative delta and sell imbalances in bullish green candles, it's trapped shorts and good for upside continuation. For downside move, you want to see increasing volume and negative delta, with POC and value areas shifting lower. Also, sell imbalances in red candles show sellers' aggressiveness. And if you get positive delta divergence and buy imbalances in red candle, it's also good for continuation. Imbalances both single or stacked show strong dominance of one side to other side. So for upside move, you want to see more buy imbalances, while for downside move you need to get sell side imbalances. Stacked imbalances also act as SR levels. Sometimes we get buy imbalances in downside candle and sell imbalances in upside candle. It shows trapped positions, as these aggressively shorted in upside move and aggressively long downside candle, and are in unrealized losses. Same goes to delta divergence in candles. Negative delta in bullish candle and positive delta in bearish candle. It also shows absorption in trapped traders as price moved oppositely and trapped them. Also, here we have bullish value area engulfing candle shown in green outline. And here we have bearish value area engulfing candle, which completely engulfed value area of previous candle, and it shows seller's dominance. Also look for trapped POC and value area. It happens as candle closes outside value area, and usually value area is in the wicks of candle. It forms at key highs and lows and usually is sign of reversal. Here you can see we have extended bullish value areas which acted as support and price bounced near these. So that's some of the basic stuff you need to see in footprint charts to see strength of price move. Now I am gonna add bar statistics indicator. You can find it in order flow section. It shows all kind of order flow information happening inside each candle. Here I gonna add volume, delta, maximum and minimum delta, and delta percent by volume. Here you want to look for above average volume and delta. Max and min delta shows absorption. In upside move, you want to see higher above average volume and positive delta, and less difference between actual delta and max delta, as it shows buyer's absorption, and higher delta percentage. In downside move, you want to see higher above average volume and negative delta. and less difference between actual delta and min delta as it shows seller's absorption. And higher delta percentage. Delta percentage above 30% by volume shows strong move, as shown in cyan color for bullish and magenta for bearish. Also max delta in white shows weak and small buyers, almost absence of them, while min delta in white shows weak sellers. So you can use these to see the strength of upside and downside price move, and look for weakness and reversal points. You can also add other metrics here, like buy and sell, volumes in trades, etc. In bar statistic indicator settings, you can enable other information, and delta percent, and delta min max threshold. It will show you strong delta with very less absorption and higher percentage. Bearish delta and its percentage is shown in magenta color, while bullish delta and its percentage is shown in cyan color. These will give you some context and confluence for your trading. Don't look for these at random price points, make sure to look at these at your points of interest and key levels. So that's the basic overview of footprints and bar statistics. How to understand it and utilize in your trading system. In next video we will discuss order flows, trader indicators and its all tools. It is bit more advanced and specialized to help you visualize order flow even better to see trapped traders, continuation momentum, exhaustion reversal points and more. We will discuss and understand its all tools in detail, which will help us in our order flow trading. So that's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comments. We'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!